Hello friends, welcome to Python programming tutorials. In this class we are going to discuss about how to create user defined packages in Python. In previous class we see how we can install new packages into Python. So how means by using pip command. So now we are going to see how to create user defined package. There is no predefined instructions in Python to create packages. For example, I want to create a module named welcome. That means this is the Python file. This file contains a function. For example, this is the file. So what is the file name? The file name is welcome.py. So this is the module I am created. So I want to create a module name welcome.py with package name pack1. So what is a package? So what is a package? A package is a folder. That means, for example, in D drive, I create a folder. The folder name is, what is the package name here? Pack1. So the package name I give pack1. I create a folder with the name pack1. That's it. So create a folder with package name. That means now this is a one package. But after creating the pack, we are going to create one file. So what is the file name? So underscore initiate underscore dot py. So what we discussed already, if any folder contains this file underscore initiate underscore dot py, then only this pack1 folder is treated as a package. So I open one empty file and I can save this as a underscore initiate underscore dot py. I save this in D drive. So that means this folder contains a .py. This is one file. So after that, so what is the module name? Welcome.py. This is also I am going to save in one folder. The folder name is pack1. So what is the module name? Welcome.py. That's it. So this is how we can create the package in Python. So what is the first step? Create a folder with package name. This is the folder with package name is pack1. Second, create a file underscore initiate underscore dot py. I open a Python file and save as a initiate dot py as location is like this pack1 slash. So that means D drive there is a folder pack1. So what is the third step? Save this welcome.py module in this pack1. That's it. Now the user defined package pack1 is created. So now we are going to see how to use this package. So this is the welcome.py module is in pack1. Now I am going to write one test.py in the same location. So that means this test.py is also in this package test.py. So that means test and the module is in the same location. Then we can import like this. Import welcome. Already we discussed at the time of modules. Import welcome. So this is the welcome. So in this there is a function say welcome name. So welcome dot. How we can access the function with the help of module name. Welcome say welcome Ravi. So what is the output? It prints welcome Ravi. That's it. So for example, the test.py is in another location. So is in another location. So then how we can access this welcome.py means, so simply so we can import sys means system sys.path.append. That means for this file you are going to append another path that d:/pack1. What is the package name? Pack1. The path is appended to this program. So after that you can write the same instructions. Import welcome dot say welcome Ravi. That means so this is for if you have saved this file in F drive, that means in some other location. If the testing file and the module file, so both are in the same location, then there is no problem. If the both are is in different files, different locations, then we can give the path, the package path to your program. How means import sys dot path dot append, and this is the location of package. So that's it. So in this way we are going to create the package and we are going to use the package. We are going to see one more example for user defined package. So this is the student.py. This is the module name. So what is the module name? Student.py. So this I am going to save in this pack1. That means here student.py. So this is the module. Okay. Now I am going to access this module in another program. How? If it is the testing package and the module is within the same location, directly we can use so from student. That's it. If both are in different locations, then we can append the location of package. Okay, this is the test.py. Okay, so that means for example the test.py is F drive, the student.py in D drive. So okay, student.py contains student number, name, qualification. So this is the function. We are going to print those details. Okay, so how? From student import asterisk. That means all the members and functions are imported into this test.py. So now I am called that function get student data. So what is the output? Student output is student number 1 2 3 4, student name Ravi, student qualification PTech. So this is the output. So all these programs we can see practically. Okay, we see another program. In D drive we are going to create one folder. In F drive I am going to create another folder. This folder name is ABC. This folder name is XYZ. In this folder I am going to write one cube.py. This module is used to find the cube of a number. So this square.py. This module is used for to create to find square of a number. Okay, and I create test.py and desktop. For example, that is in C drive. I am creating test.py. In this test.py, I am going to import cube.py, square.py. How? We can see that. So how we can define the ABC as a package means we create one folder initiate underscore dot py. Okay. So after that, I create a module cube and I can save this in this D drive cube.py. In second step, I want to create a folder XYZ. In this, I am going to create one underscore initiate underscore dot py. So after that, I create a file. The file name is square.py. So this is cube.py. I create a new file, test file in desktop. So I can import both these locations. How? sys.path.append f:\xyz. In the same way, sys.path.append y.abc. Okay, that means these packages are imported into your program. Now I can import the modules in the location xyz and abc. What are the packages? First package name is square, so that is imported. Another one is cube, that is imported, and I can take n equals to 5. So print square of n, that means square of 5. So square of 5 means this is written n power 2, that means 25 is the output. And print cube of n, so that means return n power 3, it prints 125. So this is the output. I hope you all are understand how to create user defined packages in Python.
So now we are going to see the execution of user defined package in Python. In D drive, I am creating one package. Package name is pack1. So first you can create one initiate file. There is nothing in the file. When you are save this file, you give name like this, underscore underscore initiate underscore underscore dot py. That is the step 1. After that you can create the module in the same folder. Here I create this folder. After that, in this folder I am going to create initiate.py. So after that I can create one module. The module name is welcome. So this is the module name, welcome. In this I create one function, already we discussed that. Okay, now we can see how to use this. Okay, if it is within the same location, now the test is also in the same location. So import welcome, welcome dot say welcome. Say welcome is the method in the it prints welcome ituties. So this is the student module. Okay, I save this file student.py in same folder. The folder name is pack1. Okay, so now I can access this student module from another location. So before importing the student module, I can import the location. So what is the location? d:/pack1. Now we can execute this. So now we can see I create ABC package in D drive. In this I save a module square. Okay, I define a function square. In the similar way, in F drive I create another folder XYZ. In this I create cube. So one is in D drive, another one is in F drive. Now I can access this from another location. So for example, this is a desktop. So this is the function. So one package in F drive, another package in APC. Okay, square in D drive, square in F drive, cube in D drive. Now I can execute this program. Okay, so in this way you can create the user defined packages and you can use in your Python programs.